Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can draw a straight line in PDF Expert. So let's get straight into it. Now I will jump here into my PDF just to show you. Let's take a look in this one. Okay, so this one looks pretty nice. So I will go right here, for example. All right. Now I want to draw a line. So I will suggest you that you use the shape tool rather than the freehand because uh, with freehand it's not 100% that you will have straight line. Now open up annotate uh, at the top here. If you don't see that, click here on the plus button and then here in this drop down menu select annotate. Now I will select annotate right here just like that, and I will select here shapes in this tool box, so like that, and I will select now the line right here. So if I tap on this square and circle, it will open up a new where you have these shapes and colors and thickness and everything else. So let's go with that one. Let's give a green, and now if I draw a line, it will be totally straight. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.